Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on disabling the Gallery Recycle Bin on Samsung Galaxy. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Before you do this, make note of the fact that when you disable the recycle bin, any photo or video you delete will be gone forever, and you won't be able to get it back. To do it, open up the Gallery app and tap on the 3 horizontal lines button in the bottom right corner. Then select Settings. Scroll down the settings and tap the toggle to the right of Recycle Bin. Note that all the images and videos currently in your recycle bin will be deleted, so make sure you don't want to keep any of them. Tap Turn Off on the pop-up and your recycle bin will be disabled. You can come here and turn it on again at any point if you change your mind. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung Galaxy tips and tricks.